Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Five spice powder is probably one of the most well-known and popular Chinese seasoning blends around the world. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Chinese five spice powder. We will reveal the 5 essential spices that define Chinese cooking. We'll also reveal a secret local ingredient that can be used if you can't get Sichuan peppercorns. By the end of this recipe, you'll be able to make your own fresh, aromatic and preservative-free Chinese 5-spice powder at home, packed with authentic flavor and perfect for Chinese cooking. So let's get cooking and prepare this popular Chinese 5-spice powder. Step 1. Ingredients for Chinese 5-spice powder. Take 4 teaspoons of Sichuan pepper. These have a citrusy, numbing tingle. This is the defining flavor of true 5-spice powder. If Sichuan pepper is not available, you can use tephla or templa, known locally in Goa and the Konkan region. 8 whole star anise. This has a sweet licorice aroma. 4-inch stick of cinnamon. This has a woody sweetness. 12 to 14 cloves. These have a deep, warm spice feel. 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds or barishep, also called saunf. This provides a gentle sweetness and freshness. Step 2. Preparing the Chinese 5-spice powder. Place a wide open heavy bottom pan on low heat and add the Sichuan peppers. Dry roast the Sichuan peppers for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. If you have access to templa, you don't need to hunt for Sichuan peppers. It's the closest natural match available in India, both botanically and flavor-wise. If you don't have access to Sichuan peppers or templa, then you can use 3 teaspoons of black peppercorns and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Once done, remove it in a plate and let it cool down completely. Now do this for all the remaining whole spices. You need to dry roast each spice separately. Be careful while dry roasting the star anise and the cloves, as they can burn quickly. Once all the spices have cooled down, then put them in a dry mixer grinder. Also break the cinnamon sticks and star anise into smaller pieces. This will help in grinding them easily. Remember to remove the black seeds from inside the Sichuan peppers and only use the outer shell. Do the same thing with the tephla if you are using them in this recipe. Grind all the spices together into a fine powder. Sieve the powder if you prefer a smooth texture. Once it has cooled down, pack the powder in an airtight glass container and store it in a cool, dry place, and it will stay fresh and aromatic for 6 months. Your fresh homemade Chinese 5-spice powder is ready to use. Smells wonderful, right? This aromatic powder is perfect for Chinese roast meats, noodles, stir fries and marinades, giving your dishes that warm, sweet and slightly tingly flavor. Do share our channel with your friends and family members who like these sort of recipes, and stay blessed always.
Thank you for watching. And do subscribe if you haven't already.